Welcome back to Kristin and Raul.
I'm Kristin.
And I'm Raul.
Today we are going to be making a gin margarita in honor of Cinco de Mayo.
Arriba, arriba, epale. Woohoo! So what is in a gin margarita?
We are going to use 1.5 ounces of gin, 1 ounce of orange liqueur or Cointreau, and 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, fresh squeezed lime juice. If you like yours a little sweeter, then add in simple syrup 1 teaspoon at a time. If you like it a little tartar, leave it out, see how you feel. You can always add some at the end.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
All right, what do we got here?
Start with the best.
1.5 ounces of Tanqueray Gin. 1 ounce triple sec or Cointreau, Marnier, whatever you like. 3/4 ounce of lime juice. And shake it like you got it.
Just all right.
The
Over
handy
some
dandy
crushed
strainer
ice.
over some crushed ice. Yep. So you can do a salt rim if you like. We're not partial to the salt, so we did not do a salt rim. But if you like salt, yeah, have at it. Just do a little lime juice squeeze around the rim, put it into a plate that's full of salt. That's it. And garnish with, of course, quintessential lime wedge. You do the honors.
All right, let's see.
Yeah,
Smells very
smells like a
light.
margarita, but without the tequila tang.
Mm-hmm.
The tequila tang.
I think I'm going with some simple syrup maybe in there.
So okay, so we're not gonna do simple syrup just yet. Little flavor notes. The gin, the London dry gin in particular, Tanqueray, really pops through. So
it
it's
does.
like, yeah, I mean, imagine a margarita, but with gin. I know it's hard to believe, but add that floral little punch, and that's what it is. Without that tequila
And
tang.
a lot less bite. Because there's no
Less
tequila
bite, yeah. Less bite. It's a little smoother, I think. It's really good. If you love gin, if you enjoy gin, then this is really good. But
It's very refreshing. It's very much a sit by the pool and sip on it kind of cocktail.
yeah, I can dig that. I can definitely dig that. So let's put some simple syrup. Add a little at a time, just to get a little bit extra sweetness. Maybe cut down on that floral punch. No stir.
All right,
Good enough.
we got this.
And then let's go in for a round 2 with the simple syrup in there. Oh yeah, better with the simple syrup.
I agree.
Yeah.
I think it mellows it out and it kind of rounds it out.
Good word. Definitely rounds out the flavors. Kind of brings down that gin floral punch, and it just kind of smooths everything out. Smooths out the rough edges. Really, it's really good.
What do you think? 1 to 10?
8.
An 8.
I'm gonna give it an 8. It's pretty good. This is pretty refreshing.
Yeah, tied with the gin and sin, huh? Gin sin.
It's a different flavor than gin and sin, but the same. Different but the same. Less sweet, but just as refreshing. It's really good.
I know. I kind
Yeah,
of want to
give
take
it
the
an 8.
gin sin down a little bit and put
Yeah.
this at an 8 because I think I actually like this a little better. It's a little more complementary to each other flavors.
Agreed.
You
Yeah,
should try it. I don't know.
give it a shot. Yeah, absolutely. That's
You wanna-
worth it. Well worth it. Easy to make, simple, and I'm gonna do it.
Yeah.
Something like that. Yeah. One thumb up, one kind of 45 degree up. Pretty good.
Yep. I
So-
go for it. Yeah, I agree. Go home.
Yeah, give
Try
it a
it.
shot. Yeah, it's really good.
Yep.
So,
All right.
and that's all we have today. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe. And until next time, we'll see ya. Bye.